Hey guys, it's Christmas. I just woke up and I look like I just went through a war. So yeah, let's see if my brother's awake. Morning.
Eve needs to make his coffee first. Oh wait, can I see that card from Oma?
I'm opening it.
You can open up this.
Okay, I'll just open that really quick.
Okay, you can open that and you can open that.
Minecraft!
Yay!
Now I can do stop motion on it.
I think there's something else in there. Yay!
Ow.
Yeah, there is.
There's something else in there.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh. I always wanted to be a
this is
good
what
guy.
from my teacher.
Hey Dexter.
Oh, what? It's from your teacher? What does it say?
Here, read it. It's like what my PE teacher said about me.
Don't read that loud. Dexter.
Whoa! Whoa!
No. Is it good or bad? I don't know.
What the letter is? I think it's good.
Isaac!
Close, I know it.
You do good?
Oh, that's pretty.
In PE, I think I did good, right?
Are you kidding? He says you're like amazing and a rock star.
Oh, that's
and
cool. I like these pants.
those are nice pants, mister.
I'm gonna flip these up.
You just grabbing presents.
Yeah.
Alright, Isaac.
My presents are on the other side, remember?
Yeah.
Here's. Ooh, I love orange shirts.
You love orange shirts?
Yeah.
What did you get, honey?
A book to color.
Get a little bit. Is that a kitty?
It's cute. Cute, huh?
Yeah.
Very
Very
cute.
cute.
Excited? You smell that?
Yeah.
Skateboard?
Open it up.
Present
It's
board?
so cool.
It looks kind of awesome. It's awesome.
Hmm.
Can wear my GoPro and ride this around the complex.
Did you like that? Do you like
Yeah.
that? Okay.
Yeah,
Hunters.
good.
2 hunters
Perfect.
from Mom and Steve. Dad and Steve.
Same thing,
Marlon? Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh, that's so cute.
It is so cute.
Yes.
Oh no!
Sweet. Awesome.
I tricked Isaac. Because he was like, so I didn't get a tablet. I'm like, yeah, sorry.
It's a little baby tablet. Sorry.
So cute. No, it's okay. I could use my
GoPro.
Chromebook thing for this. I got $20 on Google Play. You know,
Chromebook.
or not Chromebook. My
Yeah, I'll be right
thing
back,
that
guys.
plays
Oh,
on the
yeah.
screen. I can use this for it.
Oh, good. Because this is Google, huh?
Yeah. What? It should have Google Play on it. See, it's Chrome.
Yeah.
Chromo thingy.
Nice.
Sweet.
All right. How
Don't
I
touch
gotta charge it. Whoa. Whoa, honey. Whoa.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Here, have to open that. This is.
200 from Isaac and Dad. Little Dad.
It's to Isaac from Dad.
Yes.
Two. Hunter.
Oh.
Mom and Dad.
Oh, from Mom and Dad. That's Steve and... Whoa, whoa, what the heck?
She's hyper. Oh, she does.
Yes.
Hey, the
Hot
little
Wheels!
scratch that he used.
Isaac.
Did you get, oh, you got a bunch
You
of...
bought or my dad?
I did.
You did. You
Yes.
these two did.
We did.
Oh, I like
We
that sharp
did.
one.
God.
It would have said Preston on it if it was from Dad. It's good. Just saying. Just saying.
Yes, Hot Wheels.
I'm just saying.
I need more
Yeah.
crafts.
I'm just saying.
Cute, huh?
That
Yeah.
was easy. 200 from Mom and Steve.
Oh, is this for me?
That's for you.
You.
Oh.
Bob's like,
Is
what?
this for Hunter? No.
What are you talking about?
what's
Really
this?
comfy.
You like it?
Yeah.
What's this?
Let me see.
Is it like a sketch drawing thing?
It's
Yeah.
an
Studio
art
art
set.
set.
So it's got
So
all the
you can-
pens.
See?
Your stuff working.
Cool, huh?
Don't want to lose everything.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh,
so
more
here's first.
shirts or jacket.
Hunter.
I think those are Isaac's. Let me
What?
see. I think, yeah, that's Isaac's outfit. Sorry.
Yeah. The Hunter.
Sorry. I thought, I was
Where
like,
you-
wait a minute. It's not a cut. Turn it around. Not a cut. Are they or they're not?
Yeah.
Those look really nice.
Ooh,
I have
shoes.
like one shirt at my dad's house that I needed a pair of jeans for.
There you go.
And now I can wear this with it.
Do you like those, Hunter?
Yeah.
I thought they were cute.
Those Vans?
No. They're Nautica too. Nautica's expensive stuff. It's not really these are cute. Let's make these up cute.
Do you save those for next year?
You like it, Hunter?
Yeah. I like it.
And then your new shoes. Joey doesn't know what to do.
Zoe, your present's coming next month. I'm sorry.
I got a nice order from Isaac and Big Deal.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for
For
Allie.
you? Like
Ooh, rock, no, I know it. What type?
Oh, cute. I was gonna do.
You like it?
Yeah.
I was gonna get my family.
Wait, did you already
Cute.
open the thing from Meg Deal? Oh.
No.
I was like,
It's,
shoot, that
it's
was
like a
fun.
necklace. Remember, I was gonna give your mom
Baccarat.
one.
Yeah.
It's the family one. I know. This is two.
Two Hunter from Isaac and Momi,
This
my
is the
sister.
family. Steve, this is
Ooh.
from Isaac.
Yay!
Open.
Look, I
Wait,
can
there's a
explode the
card.
house now.
Oh, good. I love when people give us stuff like that.
There's a card.
Hold up.
This one. Oh, that's you.
Oh,
Yay,
yay!
you
You
put
put
it
it
in
in
Wow. They're really good quality.
Oh, thank you.
There we go.
They're good.
Oh,
They're really
they're
good.
Look
Ow.
at Zoe. She's
Those
so
cost
This
happy.
thing's so heavy it just crushed my toe in
That
the
is a
freaking
darling box. Don't ruin it. I want to keep it.
If I can even open it.
Oh,
It's so cute.
Slide it off.
here.
You can read that handwriting. I have terrible handwriting.
I know you have money. What the hell?
What's that?
Okay, there we go. Okay.
Two Hunter?
Dun,
Yeah.
dun, dun, dun,
Like
dun,
Legos? Yeah. Hunter.
dun.
What the heck?
Geo! Yeah!
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
Oh, is that a Geo?
Look at that. Yes, it is.
That's my favorite gift. I love it.
I love you.
Zoe, what's
It's
going on?
expensive too.
Oh, let me see that. Let's see that.
Come on. I have no idea what the frick it is.
Tonight. What's the plan?
You copied it!
I like it.
I hate you! Why do you do that to me?
Come on there, Reese.
I haven't flown a plane in forever.
Open your damn gift.
I will.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Okay, it's Mom's turn, Hunter. Look at Mom.
And mine's gonna open it.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, little purse!
Oh, yeah.
That's
That
cute.
was, Oma was like, hey, Isaac.
I'm gonna open
I
up
love it.
Noni's
Thank
gift.
You want them?
Oh, your skin is dry.
I know.
Poor boy. I feel bad.
It's okay. It's okay. I have your
That's
skin.
cool. I know.
I wanted to open this the second I saw it.
Probably Legos, huh?
Yay!
What'd you
Oh my
get?
god.
You can be mad at me later, it's fine.
I got my pillow! Oh, yeah, we're so happy.
Zoe.
Look, guys, we're so happy. Zoe came right over.
Oh, yeah.
What
I
is
am
it?
so happy.
Oh, I got little bits, I think.
You got Legos or something?
No, little bits.
What the freak is that?
It's like Legos, but with magnets and it's like a robotic thing.
I'm gonna get out.
I got my
You
pillow!
got a memory foam and stuff with it.
And it's a cooling pillow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I
What's
got
that?
little bits. Oh, she got me these.
Wait, Dexter's right there. What the heck is Dexter?
Dexter.
Yeah, I got a little bit in the wrapping paper. Why are you doing that, Dexter?